AMC Entertainment paused due to volatility. That's right, AMC finally got halted on the way to the downside. We know time and time again, AMC has historically only gotten halted on major moves up, on major green moves. And after a 20% decline 2 days in a row, finally it got halted on the way down. What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. First of all, I'm just going to apologize right now. I ordered a mic yesterday because this one broke. Okay, I ordered a mic yesterday. I did the fastest shipping and it still is not here yet. So hopefully by next video, the audio quality will be a little bit better, but we do have a lot of stuff to go over with AMC. All I ask you to do is watch until the end of the video so you don't have to watch another update video here on YouTube. Please hit the like button for me. It's free. It helps me out, and drop a comment down below. Let's get into it. So before we address the elephant in the room, which is the charts, I want to talk about some numbers. Stock Tracker reporting 0 shares available to borrow, but that's not the point. We're also getting slaughtered on the options chain, but that is also not the point. The point is the short exempts back up to 2.35 million on a single day on August 21st. This is not a natural sell-off. Shorts are pressing this thing into the floor, but they're not pressing it into the floor with real shares. They're using short exempt volume, and you can see by this tweet, no shares are available since Wednesday the 16th on all platforms. People are buying fake shares. Shorts are selling fake shares. Speaking of buying fake shares, 81% buy orders for AMC and 75% buy orders for Ape on Fidelity. Yet AMC was down 22% and Ape was down almost 4%. Fake shares, fake shares, fake shares, day in and day out. We're sitting on the threshold securities list for 41 consecutive trading days now. Longest I've ever seen a ticker sit on the threshold securities list. They must have a plan to cover. We're going to talk about it. You can see based off of any other ticker, Tesla, Google, Apple, Cinemark. Tesla has 30,000 failure to delivers. Google has 100,000. Apple has 20,000. Cinemark, the other movie theater chain, the competitor of AMC, 29,000. And AMC's 11 million FTDs. It absolutely makes no sense. It's blatant. It's right in front of everybody. And they just continue to allow it to happen. Now, the big elephant in the room. We're trading at $2.50. Who would have thought we've gotten down to this level to buy back before January of 2021, the buyback level where old retail from Wall Street bets are going to come and look at AMC again and say, yo, let's do this thing one more time, right? We're back down to that level before we even rip to $70, $77 or so. We know AMC's potential. AMC is down 20% on the day, trading at $2.51. And I have been talking about a gap fill. Mark my words. Gap fill right here down to $2.30. This has to be filled on AMC. It's going to be filled on AMC. This white line that we have drawn out for the support for AMC is the exact gap fill that AMC is heading for. And right there, it's going to base off of it and bounce from there. Whatever their plan may be going forward, shorts are afraid and they're about to cover, bringing it to all-time lows so that they can cover at a very, very low price like they did back in January, or at least like they attempted to do back in January, or maybe even turn long on the play and hedge themselves. Whatever their plan may be, this is going to come down to $2.30, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, before getting a nasty rip to the upside. This is probably the final day or the final 2 days that you can purchase AMC at this low price. I think the conversion and reverse split is going to go through. Whether it's a negative or positive catalyst, this thing is way, way, way too low, way too undervalued on AMC. But we talked about that level. It's coming down to that level. And where we go from there, I think, is up. Finally, Rose Izzo got denied. The appeal will not go to the Supreme Court. Basically, before Judge Zern said, listen, this isn't my problem anymore. This has to be taken to Supreme Court. Rose Izzo said, all right. Supreme Court said, listen, denied. Not going to happen. Moving on, comment of the century. Citadel attempts to block IEX's delimit order, which protects traders against abusive hedge fund algorithms. In the comment letter, basically Citadel states how this should not go through and how it's actually going to affect retail investors negatively in the overall market negatively. Again, funny comment of the century. Touching on some Ortex numbers before we touch on Ape and GameStop, 27.79% short interest on AMC. Free flow on loan, 39.28%. Utilization almost maxed out again, sitting at 99%. Cost bar average not being reported on AMC, but apparently the max is 8.6%. I don't know if this is another glitch with Ortex, but the max cost to borrow apparently on AMC is 8.6%, which absolutely makes no sense at all. Ape is showing 8.19% short interest. Utilization is maxed out on Ape, and the cost bar average apparently higher than AMC, sitting at 7.26%. I'm not going to lie to you, I'm not sure their plan here with Ape, down 15%, trading at $1.81. You know, we expected them to close the arbitrage gap play, And it's not that far off. I think Ape could spike to $2.30 in the next couple of days, which definitely could happen, right? That's not too far off. That's only 50 cents away, Ape to AMC. So that arbitrage gap play is still here. But why they're knocking it down, I mean, it's beyond me. Let me know in the comments down below. GameStop trading at $17.82, down 4% on the day. I think this is just getting moves correlated to AMC, correlated to Ape, and the overall market. It's getting slightly affected, but not to the degree as those other plays. It came back up, was building support off of this trend line, and now it is selling off once again over on GameStop. I'd watch for $17.60 for a potential bounce on GameStop, and then following that, $17 even, and then of course our bottom level at $15.80 for GameStop. Do I think it's going to go that low? No, not really. I think it's going to stop selling off once AMC and Ape stop getting hammered into the floor. I did add GameStop yesterday. I did add AMC and Ape yesterday as well. And I may add today because it's just way too low in my opinion. Now, before we get into the S&P 500 and additional stuff to close out the video, guys, make sure to pop in the Discord. It's $1.99. A lot of new people have been getting in there. We talk stocks all day long. I'm in there on the daily. I post my trades as soon as I take them. You can ask me whatever you want on the daily, and you can put some video requests in there and more. We post gains, post losses, talk stocks all day long, and it's just the best vibes for literally $1. To get into Discord, the link is right under the video. Plus, if you want my Discord for free for literally years to come, download Moomoo using my link and put in maybe $1 to get free stocks after you sign up, and you are going to get benefits from there. You can sell those and then join the Discord. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but it's also just a great platform to use that gives you free level 2 order book data, so you can see where whales are loading up and dropping off shares, which can definitely help you make a trade, plus access to trading options for free, going long and going short, and more. So go do that, use my link, download Moomoo, sign up, and make a deposit. Let's get back to the video. SPY is trading at 439.05, basically sitting sideways on the day. We broke out of this trend line, came up, and now we are basing off of it as support. Looks like it wants to break back lower because this volume on these green days wasn't too high. I mean, the first one was decent, showing that we have demand at 434 on the SPY. But anything above that, I think the SPY just wants to sell off. SPY looks like it's coming up and double topping at 441, and it's coming back to retest that level at 434. And then break even lower. That is my outlook on the S&P 500. Finally, Charles Schwab initiates employee layoffs and office closures as a cost-cutting measure. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried has pleaded not guilty to fraud and money laundering allegations. And Nvidia shares just hit a new all-time high in the pre-market today. Keep in mind, Nvidia reports earnings this week. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. Make sure to join the Discord, have post notifications on, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on your way out. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.